Norfolk Technical Center is partnering with the Aviation Institute of Maintenance to offer students the chance to learn about the aviation industry. The partnership kicked off with a special ceremony, which included experiencing a plane engine startup firsthand. Following the formal event, students from NTC got to work with sheet metal, giving them a great hands-on introduction to the program.
And we're so proud of what's going on today. Working with Norfolk Public Schools, we're able to offer a dual enrollment program where students in high school are able to start an FAA-certified airframe and power plant program. They'll get a taste of what it's like to be an aircraft mechanic, and then when they are finished with high school, they'll have the option of going ahead and pursuing that career and going into education, or taking that valuable experience into any other range of profession they like to go into.
It is so important because we have big dreams. We want to do all that we can to make sure that our students are college, career, and civic ready, but we need the support of our community and of all of our industry partners to make that happen, and that's what's happening here today.
Well, I'm the mayor of the city of Norfolk, but also I serve as chancellor of the Aviation Institute of Maintenance. I'm excited. I can be as proud as I'm just thrilled to be part of this program, and just excited to partner with NPS, the City of Norfolk, and AIM coming together for the benefit of our students.
This is the first and only program of its kind in the area, and our students were quick to recognize the unique opportunity this presented to them.
I always like auto mechanics, and but that field is always crowded. Everybody wants to do that out of high school from where I see it from. So with aviation mechanics, it's like next level up, like a step up from where it's at. So it'll get me a better pay, more knowledge, more certifications.
Right now we're making planes out of sheet metal. I think it's pretty cool. I've never used tools before, so it's a good experience. Being a girl, anyway, being a black female, it's tough to come across these opportunities. So I really felt the need to take advantage of it.